Hello everyone, today I will show you how to increase raw height in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet and drag your mouse, select your raw, you want to increase raw height. Now put your mouse cursor here and see this double arrow icon showing here and drag it and see this raw height already increased. Also I'll increase this for raw height, drag it. Now click right button and here you will find this resize rows and put here your raw height and make it 40 and now select OK and see this raw height already increases. Also you can say increase raw height, a specific raw height and see this. Also increase this one and see the double arrow icon showing here. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.